We are ready for contestant number 16 from Seattle, Washington, under the direction of Elizabeth Davies, Sound Harmony Chorus.
Today, I defy any cloud to appear in the sky. Dare any raindrops to plop in my eye on a wonderful day like today. On a wonderful morning like this, when the sun is as big as a yellow balloon. Even the sparrows are singing in tune on a wonderful morning like this. On a morning like this, I could kiss everybody. I'm so full of love and goodwill. Let me say more, I'd adore everybody to come and dine. Pleasure's mine and never mind the bill. Let me take this occasion to say that the baby is coming and won't it be fine? She's so excited, she might lose her mind. The world's in a wonderful way. On a wonderful day like today, let me take this occasion to say, I'll say, the baby is coming and won't it be fine? She's so excited, she might lose her mind. The world's in a wonderful way. Today, on a day like today, what a glorious day. What a day.